Bianca was there and has this story that's absolutely Colorado.
It starts with the national anthem. Dozens of motorcyclists and drivers are gearing up.
Just to be part of it is just awesome.
With Friday marking the 19th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks, this group is here on their 5th annual 9/11 Memorial Cruise, honoring the lives lost of almost 3,000.
You can imagine what those families feel, even almost 20 years later.
The group started at veteran-owned Valley Espresso in Colorado Springs before embarking on the journey north toward Fort Carson Gate 1.
I get emotional every year. The very first year that we kicked this off, it was the first time I myself had been back to Fort Carson Gate 1 after 4 friends of mine's names were added to the rocks.
Organizers of Sunday's cruise say that even though COVID-19 has impacted the way ceremonies and gatherings are conducted.
Last year we had almost 150 cars. This year we've got what you see.
That it's events like these that are critical.
But when it comes to stuff like this, we become a family. And more people in the world need to see that, need to know that that still exists.
Signaling that this tradition will live on. In Colorado Springs, Bianca, KRDO News Channel 13.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is finally the day of our Twisted Boost Media hosted 9/11 Memorial Cruise. So we got the car all kind of cambered up. One on the front, one on the back, and I think we're gonna put one on the door here. But we're using that one right now. But for now, we're gonna get ready and head over there to the meeting location at Valley Espresso, which is owned by a friend of ours, Ethan. And it's a veteran-owned business, so it's awesome to support that as well. And at the end of the day, we're gonna end up at Red Lake Brewery, also a veteran-owned business. Here's their little logo. So if you guys like good craft beer and stuff, go check them out. The Howitzer is definitely probably the best one they make to me. We will see you guys at the meeting location and show y'all who showed up and go from there. What's going on, guys? Mark here from the meeting location for the 9/11 Memorial Cruise. So we just had a quick little interview with the news, and that is KRDO. So that was pretty awesome. They just kind of asked some questions about feelings for today. Obviously, I feel grateful that we can still have a group of people come together to support those that lost their lives that day, and just to take a cruise, have a cold beer afterwards. And we are going to be cruising to Gate 1 at Fort Carson to the memorial there, and we're going to have a little ceremony there. We're very grateful to be able to have... You're Mark, correct?
By God, I am.
Okay, I'm Mark too. So, well, I'm Marcel, but so we're very grateful to be able to have Mark here.
Mark with a C or Mark with a K?
I spell it with a K, even though my name's Marcel. So, I mean, people are like, wait, what is that? But yeah, again, we're very grateful to be able to have Mark here to play some music for us and play the national anthem. We will definitely see you guys at Gate 1, Fort Carson. Hey, so for now,
hang on a second. Hey, Governor Polis, I'm really sorry. We're breaking a few rules here. We believe it or not, we respect you. I'm not going to say anything else. But we just wanted to say thank you guys for checking in on us. We are a nonprofit. We play for everybody. We really focus on honoring our fallen. So if you ever need anybody, you can call us, email us, check us out on Facebook. Until I kill Facebook.
That's all good. So I'll plug all his information in the description and stuff too. Maybe put his website and stuff up on the screen, so y'all can check it out if you want to. But we're gonna see you guys at Fort Carson once we get on the cruise. So looking forward to having a great ceremony, guys.
because what we are is a representation of what happened after this. And we can never forget not just what happened that day, but what happened in the days and weeks that followed. I'm 52 years old. I was in Desert Shield, Desert Storm, and I can tell you that the unity that I felt days and weeks after 9/11, I hadn't felt since. I honestly, I haven't felt it since. And just speaking for myself, if this doesn't trigger us to join together, arm to arm and hand in hand, and actually show the world that we can be united despite everything that's going on, then I don't know what will. So I'm gonna go ahead and play 2 verses, right?
It's loud, huh? Yeah. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I just wanted to do a quick little voiceover with this part of the walkthrough of the memorial and everything. You know, it's crazy to think that so many people are, you know, fighting each other, you know, on our own soil, and just not agreeing on things, which, you know, I understand that there's so many different things going on at all times, but during this time, 9/11, 2001, people came together as one, especially the next day. I mean, you didn't care whose hand it was you were grabbing out of the rubble, and you got to think about the families that even 20 years later are still affected by this. Overall, it's a day that we need to remember every year and every day of the year, because as I walk through here, you see some rocks and stuff, some stones. And there's probably around 10 or 12 stones there. And if you really take notice, the people, the children, the adults, the leaders, you know, all those people's names, you know, that's what those people are. Somebody's child, you know, a leader, somebody's supervisor, somebody's husband, somebody's wife. And they signed up to go defend the nation, you know, and it's all caused by this one event. Again, it was a time when the nation came together. You know, you didn't care who you were helping. You didn't care if they were black, white, Chinese, Korean, you know, Hispanic, Mexican, Puerto Rican, you know, Guatemalan. It didn't matter. You know, whoever that person was needed your help, and then you just gave the help without regard for your own life. And that's what happened on that day, and the next day, and, you know, the days following the event. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed this little walkthrough of the Kit Carson Memorial at Fort Carson, Colorado. It's at Gate 1 if you want to check it out. And I'm really thankful to all the people that came out to support Twisted Boost Media's event. Thank you for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.